Augustown, Jamaica. Reputable Don called Papa has been taken out in a confrontation with the Jamaican police. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari, soldier of the Roads TV. And I'm on one thank you for tuning to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. If you have not subscribed, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button as Augustown brace for tension. An alleged Don in the community of Augustown, St. Andrew, was shot and killed in reports confrontation with security force on Wednesday, official confirmed. He has been identified as Marvin Marklin, more popularly known as Papa, the reputable leader of a bottom Augustown gang. Marklin was involved in several high-profile crimes, including outside of Augustown, according to Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbeth, head of the St. Andrews Central Police Division, who confirmed he was killed. Nesbeth said that the police team was on an operation in the community and during a confrontation, regrettably, Marklin was shot and injured. He reportedly died while being treated at the hospital. Now, Jamaicans, me want enough to make me know, I really them little youth ya around the road. Them a call this a little youth ya Papa. I guess him a the daddy for the neighbor. But for Jamaicans to allow these little, what I would call hashlings, or these little banga, or little tadpole, to make the community hot. Imagine a young little youth this, him can't 40-year-old yet, but the Augustown people right now are frustrated, upset, and denying that Papa was, in a gang, that he was not no Don. So I wanted to make me know, do you think this is a plow where Jamaican police continue to let the local youth them become deceased? Can we stop the criminality? Can the illegality be defeated? Because here you have a little young youth who look like him as a little baby, just a get a little fuzz pan in cheek. I know a lot of people them say appear juvenile run downtown. Well, I thought we got away from that, ladies and gentlemen, because here you have Papa killed by the police in Augustown, and many people in the community are defending it. Appear that they want to start some kind of conflict because the community there in Augustown protesting, denying that Marvin Marklin, more popularly known as Papa, was a reputable leader of the bottom Augustown gang. Why the bottom and why not the top? Marklin was involved in several high-profile crimes, they said, according to the superintendent, Marlon Nesbeth. Now I hope the superintendent now lie on the local youth just for deny, say, he should not have get shot. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on this one. Let me know if you think the little youth where you see on the screen are done, or if you think that the Jamaican police is just making up this fabrication on the other hand so they could get away with slaying this young man. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV reporting live. Augustown Don Papa killed by the police in a confrontation. It seems like the Don them a get younger and younger. Augustown is unrest right now because there has been protesting in the street about the slaying of this so-called Don Papa. Leave your comment on this one. Let me know if you think this local youth here is a Don for real. Because I can't believe them local youth here can run the place. Or if the Jamaican police I done the youth them right in our face. How come I hear nothing about in the com? Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. More life and more joy and more happiness.
Deep Root TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool, Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool,